The watches that are shown in this video and or any watch that I review on this channel are not counterfeit. I do not and will not ever knowingly review any counterfeit watches on my channel. YouTube policy defines counterfeit items as follows. Counterfeit goods contain a trademark or logo that is identical to or substantially indistinguishable from the trademark of another. And YouTube also defines further that they mimic the brand features of the product in an attempt to pass themselves off as a genuine product of the brand owner. None of the items I review on this channel meet either one of these requirements. I do not review items that are identical in any way to any brand or that attempt to pass themselves off as a genuine product of the brand owner. These items are all purchased legally and are publicly available to anyone to purchase themselves. To the best of my knowledge, all of the watches that I review are made by companies that have done their research to make sure that the items they sell are legal. I do not produce these items, I only review them. Once again, the watches you see in this video and any watch you see on this channel reviewed by me is not and are not counterfeit items as defined by YouTube policy.
Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here coming at you with another watch review video, and as promised, more watches coming in all the time. I tell you guys, I'm always ordering watches, so you never know what I'm gonna get in. I do have an order from Amazon that came in two different boxes here. I believe there's three watches. I think there's two in this box and one in this one, and I'm not really sure which watches that I have in this box, but I think one of them might be a Seiko, if I can recall correctly. But anyhow, I'm going to get into these. I'm going to unbox these watches for you guys so you guys can see what I got. And before we get started, I just wanted to shout out to my current subscribers and say thank you guys so much. I'm at 519 subscribers right now. You can be my 520th subscriber. And if you are new to this channel, I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. So, if you like that concept, please make sure you give that thumbs up, like, and subscribe, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here on Dave the Watchman on YouTube. I also have themselves.To, where you can head on over and you can see all the watches that I've reviewed and some watches of interest, and I also provide affiliate links so you can click on those watches and actually purchase one if you like it. They are affiliate links, so they do send $1 or $2 over to the channel, and that is very helpful and appreciated. So if you do decide to buy one, I would definitely appreciate it if you clicked on one of those links and made your purchase through the link. The link will bring you directly to Amazon.com or AliExpress, those websites which I am affiliated with, and I would definitely appreciate the affiliate commission from you guys if you decide to buy a watch. So anyhow, without further ado, let's get into what we have in the boxes. So I think I have two watches in this box, and I'm pretty sure, I'm almost positive, one watch in this box. So let's cut these things open and see what we've got inside. And also, like I said, guys, I'm always getting watches in, so definitely stay tuned to the channel because I am going to be getting more watches in this week. I do have another big order placed with AliExpress, and that is coming up. It does take a while for the AliExpress watches to get here, but you never know what you're going to get when you order from AliExpress. The reason why I love Amazon so much is because Amazon has the no-hassle return policy, so if you guys buy something and you really don't like it, you're not stuck with it. When you buy on, okay, here's my buddy Shrody. He's going to come in and try and destroy everything I've got set up here because that's just what he does. Buddy, you can't do this. I'm working here. All right, let's see here. All right, let's see what we got. Let's move this out of the way here. We don't need this right here. Okay. Oh, this is a Timex. Okay. Now, I have reviewed a couple of Timexes on this channel. Timex is a great brand. They've been around for a long time. But it seems like lately I've been ordering these Timex watches and they haven't turned out to be very nice. So I keep giving them a chance. I want to be able to say something nice about the Timex brand, but if you've seen my other videos, you know, I ordered a couple that were not so great. Oh, okay. I know which one this one is. I gave this one a second chance. If you guys have been paying attention to my channel, you will notice that I did buy one of these. This is the Harbor, I think it was called the Harbor Master or the Harborside watch. I had purchased one and the bezel on it was really, really solidly sticking, like it was hard to turn. And this one is not as bad. I know the other one was, oh, nope, this one's doing it too. Guys, This is the second time I've gotten this watch. I tried to give it a second chance and it did the same thing. It's very, very hard to turn. It should not be this difficult to turn this bezel. So at this point, I would like to say that I'd like this watch, but guys, this is the second chance. This is the second chance, and it's I mean, you can just see it's the same thing as the last video. You got to squeeze so hard to turn that it can't be just a defective watch at this point, because this is the second one. So I'm not very happy with that. I mean, otherwise, I like the way it looks. It's a really nice watch. I would love to like this watch, but it's making it very difficult for me to like a watch that you have to press so hard to turn the dial on. I mean, you can just see what it's doing. It's leaving the indent in your fingers just to turn it. So yeah, you shouldn't have to turn that. I mean, I've got some other good quality watches like this Steel Dive here, just to give you by comparison. You know, it's nice and easy. I'm not squeezing hard at all. And this is a really solid dial. It doesn't have any back play. I'm trying to turn that. It's nothing. There's no back play on that. It's solid. So see? So that's that's the way it should be, in my opinion. So I'm not too impressed with the Timex watches. I don't know what's going on with Timex lately. I will be ordering some more Timex. They're a great brand. Guys, I would love to give them, you know, a positive review. But guys, if it's just not, you know, if it's just not good, I'm going to tell you, it doesn't matter if it's a good, you know, a good brand or not. They got to come out with good stuff in order for, you know, I'm going to tell you my honest opinion of these watches. So anyhow, enough about the Timex. Let's get into this box and see what I've got in here. Like I said, I think I got a Seiko in here. Okay, 2 watches. All right, which one should I open for? Ooh, Casio. I think I know which one this might be. Let's do the Casio, just because I think I know which one this is. Let's see here. Looks like I got a... Okay, yeah, it is the one I thought it was. This is, I believe, the Casio Duro. Yes. Yeah, Casio Duro. I've been interested in trying one of these. So let's take a good look at it here. Looks like it comes with the instructions, comes wrapped up nicely. Box, case, the stand. Very, very nicely packaged. And let's see here, silicone band. Let's see here. Ooh, it's got some good weight to this thing. It's got really good weight to it. It does have, let's get this off of it. It's actually not too bad. And I believe when I bought these watches, I bought these two to compare side by side. And obviously, by looks, buddy, Schrody, okay, I'm going to have to put you down here. You're down here off. You've lost table privileges, buddy. So anyhow, I bought these two to compare side by side. And honestly, I am kind of disappointed because I think I like the look of the Timex better because it's got that really reflective teal aqua look to the dial. You can see it. And this one's more of a black satin kind of look to it. Well, I don't know, it's kind of tough. They're both nice. They both look nice. The only thing that kills me for this watch is the fact that this dial is just like, you can't even, like with one hand, you should be able to turn it. You know, I mean, you can't. It is just very, very tight to turn. You have to really put some pressure on that to turn it. This one, on the other hand, this is, you know, one hand. You use one thumb, you can turn this dial. And they're both solid dials. It's not like this one's just a cheap, loose dial and this one's a tight dial. These are both tight, good quality dials. I mean, this one's just designed better. It's got better knurling on the edges. This one's very slippery. They're not, I mean, you can see them side by side. This one's raised a little bit more. It's got, you know, better grip on it. This one does not. I mean, it's very slippery when you try and then you got to kind of press on it really, really hard to turn it. But guys, I did buy these. Now that I recall, I did buy these two because I wanted to compare them side by side. They are both really nice watches for the collection. Definitely good looking watches. Like I said, the only thing that ever kills me about this one is the fact that that bezel turns so tightly. Other than that, I would love this watch. I would definitely wear it. I would love it. It's a very nice watch. They just got to do some work on their bezel performance. I don't know. So between the two, obviously the winner is going to be this one. But if this bezel had worked properly, that would be a really, really, really tough call. Other than that, I believe these are Hardlex crystals. Not sure if they are sapphire. Like I said, I'm only doing an unboxing right now, so I'm not getting into complete and total details on either one of these watches. I will dedicate some time to these watches once I do an individual review for each one. But like I said, this is the second time I've done this watch, and that's still a problem. I thought the first one was just an issue, but or a one-off, but now I'm noticing that it is an issue with the performance of these watches and the construction. So anyhow, this is the Casio Duro. Very nice watch. It's got that the Rolex Garner look, but really, really nice dive watch. The only thing to me, I mean, well, I can't really complain about it. I mean, the prices on these watches were pretty good too. I think the Casio is $50. They both have mineral crystals. The Casio is $50. The Timex is roughly $50. It's somewhere around $50 on Amazon right now, but those prices are subject to change, availability, and they can change. But somewhere in the neighborhood of $50 for the Casio dive watch. The Timex is twice the price, somewhere in the neighborhood of $100. You've got double the water resistance on this watch. This one is a 20 bar, and this one is a 10 bar, which is 100 meters, 200 meters. So you get double the water resistance on the Casio for half the price. But they both have mineral glass, and they are quartz movements. Japanese quartz movement here, and what is this? This is it doesn't say what movement is in the Timex, but you do get a Japanese quartz movement. Neither one of them is an automatic. They are both quartz movements. But I will do a comparison of these two watches coming up. But anyhow, let's get into the next watch here. So, yes, and I was right. It is a Seiko. We've got a Seiko watch here. So let's get into this. Alright, let's get into this here. So, get this out of the way. Alright, now we've got the Seiko. Ooh, okay, yeah. This is... Wow, this is a nice watch, guys. It's got the Jubilee bracelet. This is a Hardlex mineral crystal on this. Oh, I love that exhibition case on the back of this. Guys, this is really nice. This is a sharp looking watch. Really, really nice. I believe, oh, it's got the bidirectional. I always hate the bidirectional bezels, but man, it is smooth. These Seikos are really great quality, guys. You can't go wrong with these things. This is a solid watch. So it's a 4R34 Seiko movement in this thing. It does have the date window with a magnification for the date. Like I said before, it's a Hardlex crystal, so it is hardened for extra scratch resistance. And it does have the exhibition case with the Jubilee bracelet. Solid construction on this thing, guys. This is a really, really nice watch. This watch is available right now somewhere in the neighborhood of $300. So if you are interested in that, I will be posting a link to all of these watches in the description below, so you guys can head on over and pick one of these guys up if you want. Like I said before, this is just an unboxing of these watches to show you guys what I got in my shipment today. I will be dedicating some time to each and every one of these watches when I do a separate review on them, and I will be doing a comparison between the Casio and the Timex, provided that my buddy will give me some time to do these videos without trying to monopolize my time here. Buddy, hey, bud, you gotta relax. You gotta relax. Okay. So anyhow, I will be doing a comparison video with these two watches here, and I will be dedicating some time to this Seiko as well. But this is a great watch. It's somewhere in the neighborhood of $300. It is a Seiko GMT Hardlex crystal 4R34 movement with the exhibition case and the Jubilee bracelet. Very, very nice watch. I will be posting links to all of these in the description below. So thanks for watching, guys. I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you are new to this channel, please make sure you give that thumbs up, like, and subscribe, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because I am Dave the Watchman, and that's what I do here. So until next time, you guys have a great day, and I will see you in the next watch review video. Say bye, Schroed. Say bye, Schrodey.